on the Mike O'Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge here just outside of Las Vegas, where if you've never seen the Hoover Dam before, here it is. We're going to go down and get a little more historical information, but the view from up here on this new bridge is just outstanding. If you get a chance, pay a visit. Sunny weathers from the Hoover Dam. Sunny weathers here, as promised. We're now on top of the Hoover Dam. As some historical facts that we have discovered, this dam was built from an incredible amount of concrete. It does an extremely effective job of holding back Lake Mead while generating electricity. And in a particularly interesting note, to give you an idea of how much progress mankind has made since this dam was built, the lovely bridge that we were on previously took 10 years to build. This dam took 5, and they allowed them 7. Sunny weathers on top of the Hoover Dam. Sunny weathers, back with you on top of the Hoover Dam, and I have a little more information for you. As you probably know, the Colorado River separates Arizona and Nevada. But do you also know it separates mountain time from Pacific time? And the way that affects you as an individual on top of Hoover Dam is that the left side of my body is 1 hour older than the right side of my body. So I'm kind of a time traveler, enjoying a beautiful day right here on top of the Hoover Dam, sunny weathers.